everyone, this is Jim Ogrozinski with a quick lecture video just summarizing some of the important points for Chapter 1. So as you can see, week 2 and our schedule on the screen, exercise 1.5 or discussion board number 4 wraps up Chapter 1, and then I will produce a separate video for Chapter 2 and talk about research and developing the required sources needed for your topic. So far, I've seen and read through 3 posts for exercise 1.5 on perspective research topics. All 3 look really interesting, so I look forward to reading and working on those as we move through this short course. One thing I do want to point out is that, again, this is one focused topic that we are working through the whole semester, our short 5-week semester. So please be aware that what we begin with the research proposal is the topic for all discussion board activities, is the topic for the annotated bibliography, the first draft, and also the final research essay. The purpose behind 1102 is to work through a research topic in a focused manner using outside source material. So I would like to get to the course unit here. Let me get to the course units. Look in Chapter 1, part of week 2, and I define out some sections to focus on for Chapter 1, and I want to cover those briefly. Once again, earlier this week, I provided a resources section here in the readings and activities, just linking you to the Curious Researcher slide presentation that is located in your course drive folder. So some of the bullet points here are really beneficial in developing a working knowledge of your topic for discussion board number 4. I did demonstrate, or I did explain that I'm looking for some soft sources. Links are fine. I don't need citations at this time. And those of you who have posted to the discussion board provided some really good links as far as some information about your particular topic. So you want to develop some working knowledge, as Ballinger talks about, and he provides strategies for developing the working knowledge that you need to begin the discussion on your particular topic. As right now, like most of the discussion boards, everything is a little broad. You're asking a lot of questions, and as we move through the research process, as you want to start answering some of those questions and reducing the number of questions and coming to some really good assertions about your particular topic. So the idea here is to begin broadly, use a funnel imagery if that works for you, or the inverted pyramid, however it works for you to narrow down your particular topic, however it works for you to visualize that. So you want to think about how you want to craft your opening questions. It's just really an important way of helping you narrow and focus your topic, right? So I don't want to dwell too long on some of the examples here that we have on how to work through that, finding some of the research for your working knowledge. You have to develop a strategy for reading for research, and part of that also is to how to read an academic article. If we move into Chapter 2, where we really focus on the researching aspect of your research topic, how do you go about in reading and breaking apart an academic article so you can read it quickly, determine if it has any relevant information, and also relevant information and something that you want to spend a little bit more time with. It's always a much more daunting task to read initially, but if you take it in steps, and the way Ballinger talks about it in a textbook, it really becomes a little bit more of a task that you can be successful with. All right, so that's just a short review for Chapter 1. I'll move on to my second lecture video of today, which will be on Chapter 2, and also I'll mention and talk about the annotated bibliography coming up. All right. Good luck.